Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your Instagram profile public using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process, making it super easy for you to open up your Instagram account to the world all from your browser. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your username and password if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one that says More at the very bottom and give it a click. A new menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This is where you can customize everything about your Instagram experience, including your privacy preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Account Privacy. Click on it to open up your privacy settings. This is where you control who can see your posts and interact with your profile. Now you'll notice a toggle switch next to Private Account. If it's turned on, your account is currently private, which means only people you approve can see your posts and stories. To make your profile public, simply click the toggle to disable the private account setting. Instagram might ask you to confirm this change, so go ahead and confirm if prompted. That's it. Your Instagram profile is now public, and anyone can view your posts, stories, and profile information. This is perfect if you want to reach a wider audience, grow your followers, or simply share your content with the world. Remember, you can always switch back to a private account anytime by following these same steps. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.